Army ants are the members of a family Formicidae. There are nearly 200 species of army ants present worldwide. They are called army ants because due to their aggressive foraging groups known as raids. A huge number of ants forage simultaneously over a certain area. Almost all ant species construct their nests, but army ants are distinct by not constructing any permanent nests. But they can build temporary nests called bivouacs. When an forager ants found any prey, she sends chemical alarming signal. Within a few seconds, hundreds of other ants comes to join the party. An army ant colony can travel 300 feet in a single night. An army ant colony have different kind of members which different from each other by their body size and shape. A single colony of army ants have a different kind of members. Caste system in an army ants. Colonies of army ants has caste system. Workers of army ants are usually blind or they can have compound eyes reduced to a single lens. The worker caste is usually composed of sterile females. There are species of army ants where the workers caste may show polymorphisms based on physical differences and job allocations. However, there are also species that show no polymorphisms. In a polymorphic colony of workers, there are two kinds of workers. Medium-sized, these workers have size half of the soldiers' ants which have a size of more than 1 centimeter. Most of the attacks done by the medium-sized workers. Smaller workers, they are 3 mm in size and like other ants are also blind. These ants are general helpers and can perform any kind of job for colony. Soldiers of army ants are larger than workers with 1 centimeter size. Soldiers are also blind and detect objects with their antenna. Antenna has millions of sensory hairs and pits that are receptive to smell, touch, vibrations. They have much larger razor-shaped mandibles. Older soldiers have larger heads and stronger mandibles than younger ones. Their razor-shaped jaws are controlled by the muscles present in their heads. Their job is to protect the colony and help carry the heaviest loads of the prey to the colony. Males are large in size with large cylindrical abdomen. The males have highly modified mandibles and unique genitalia not seen in other ants. Their antennae have 13 segments with wings and therefore can resemble wasps. Males are born as a part of sexual brood. As soon as they born, they will fly off in search of queen to mate. In some instances where males seek to mate a queen from an existing colony, the receiving workers will forcibly remove the wings in order to accommodate the large males into the colony for mating. Because of larger size, males are sometimes called sausage flies or sausage ants. Real army ants colonies always have only one queen, while some other ant species can have several queens in a single colony. The queen is blind but sometimes have vestigial eyes. The gaster of queen is larger to store a large number of sperm. Queens of army ants are unique because these are wingless, have enlarged gaster size and an extended cylindrical abdomen. They have 10 to 12 antennal segments. Queen can mate and store sperms of multiple males because of its enlarged gaster. queen can produce 3 to 4 millions of eggs in a month, resulting in production of millions of individuals. The job of nursing ants is to nurse the young and newly born army ants babies. Army ants have forager workers for their colony. Their job is to search food for the whole colony. The whole colony of army ants can consume up to 5 lakh prey animals each day. There are more than 200 species of army ants, so prey selection among species to species is very different. Many underground species of army ants primarily feed on underground arthropods and their larvae and some earthworms. Occasionally, they also feed on the young of vertebrates or their eggs, such as turtle eggs. Colony robbers. Many species of army ants are specialized to rob the offspring and eggs of other wasps and other ants. Only a few species of army ants seem to have the broad spectrum of prey. These species do not eat every kind of animal, although if accidentally small vertebrates that get caught will be killed, the undesired prey are simply left behind and consumed by the scavengers or flies that accompany ant swarm. Colonies can have over 15 million workers that can transport 3,000 prey items per hour during the raid period. When the colony of army ant travels, every animal that comes in its way will get caught and killed or seriously injured. They use their scissor-like jaws to slice their prey, and then they flash muscle dissolving acid which liquefy the prey animal's tissues. After it, they meal the prey. Army ants do not build nests like other ants do. Instead, they build living nests with their bodies known as bovec. In bovec nests, the members hold onto each other's legs and so build a sort of ball. Older workers are located on the exterior of bovec, while younger workers located anterior to the bovec. Soldiers gather on top surface of bovec ready to defend nest with pincers and stingers. Inside the nest, there are numerous passages that have different types of chambers to store food, larvae, eggs, and most importantly, the queen.